Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to call voice assistant using your earbuds TOZO Tonal Dots. And by default you need to press 3 times at the touch area on your left or right earbud. Touch area is located at the back side. So 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, I just call Google Assistant. If you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini. Now we can add this feature to another gesture, let's say to the single press or double press. You need to open TOZO app, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. Yeah, it happened with this application that it showed that it disconnected. So if you had the same, just tap at your earbuds there. So basically, normally, if you add your earbuds to the app and your earbuds connected with your phone, you will see this menu, not the previous one. Right here, you need to go to the settings at the right top, and at the first line we have touch controls. Tap at this line, and now we can add it for the single press, double press. We cannot add it for the press and hold, because for the press and hold we have by default volume control. And we cannot change it to another feature. Let's say I wanna add it for the right earbud for the single press. So I tap here and select voice assistant. You can do the same with the double press and the same with the left earbud. Now let's check it. 1. And it also works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!